everyone. Today we are here to celebrate Teacher Day, a day dedicated to our beloved teachers who shape our future. We celebrate it on 5th September to honor Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan, a great teacher and former President of India. Teachers are like candles, they burn their selves to give us light. They guide us, support us, and help us become better human beings. Without their wisdom and encouragement, our journey of learning incomplete. This special day, salute all my teachers, respect with gratitude. Thank you.